Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to apply for the MEXT Scholarship to study in Japan for session 2027-2026. This is a fully funded Hokkaido University Masters and PhD Scholarship. For international students, we'll show the full process for this. How do you apply for this particular opportunity? Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships. All the scholarships are posted there. And the link for this study in Japan scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective description of each of the scholarship videos. Also in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our websites fullscholarships.net or cashmlook.com, and on them you can directly apply for this particular opportunity. So this Hokkaido University at Japan is offering the MEXT scholarship for masters, postgraduate degrees and PhD. It will be offering full scholarship with $11,709 of stipend per year, and it will also cover travel costs. Besides that, there is no IELTS required for this, and you can apply until 30th of November 2026. So deadline is November 30th of 2026, so you can apply until that, and programs will be starting from October 2027. So year ahead you have to apply for this. So all details are mentioned on this website here, and you can apply for different programs for the graduate programs here, and you should complete one of the SDGs here, and before that you have to check out the eligibility requirements that you fulfill them, and be an international student with outstanding academic records and have a GPA of around 2.3 out of 3. And besides that, you should have the high school, and for master you should have the bachelor's degree as well. So duration for the courses will be 2 years for the masters and 3 years for the doctoral, and the monthly allowances for masters will be around 1,44,000 Japanese yen, and for doctoral 1,45,000 Japanese yen. Besides that, travel expenses and Max will provide the return and arrival tickets, and after that they'll be providing the tuition, application fee exemption, matriculation fee exemption, and all these benefits will be provided to both of you. So documents required for this will be the online form that you have to fill, but steps you have to follow is first you have to contact supervisor, then you have to fill the form and mail him directly along with the attached documents that are listed here, and that's a simple process. In order to apply for this university, you have to simply click here on this link to start the application. Once you click on that, you can see the official Hokkaido University application portal here, and application for MEXT 2027 scholarships from October are open right now. You can see Japanese Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology is offering this. This is the MEXT, and this IGP special quota scholarship. Application details are mentioned here as well, and you can click on this link, and once you click on that, it will take you to the Graduate School of Life Sciences of the Hokkaido University, where you can see the International Graduate Program page. For this, you can see clearly it's mentioned the application for the MEXT scholarship is open right now, and we are waiting for your challenge, and this has been updated April 2027 2026. Here you can see the procedure. You can watch the procedure as well, and 1082 steps that you have to follow is first contact the supervisor, and you can see how will you find the supervisor list. You can see laboratories in the program. So open this link here, and it will open the different laboratories here. You can see, and you can click on this link here, and it will open the list of laboratories and their professors, their names, everything. So you have to contact these professors first and seek them their supervision for you, and once they agree, then you come here and check all the details here and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see IGP first step form. So you have to click on this form here so that you download the application form here, and once you have got the approval from the supervisor and you have all the documents that are mentioned here, you can see the document list. You click on them, and you can see enable editing here, and let me fulfill this form here. And there's a first step form that you have to fill the name in English, first name, last name, and then nationality, date of birth, gender. These must be as per the passport, and then potential supervisor laboratory name that we had found here. You can see the laboratories here. So for example, I got this professor here, and I'll fill that details here and laboratory name, and then contact information of your bachelor's or master's or a high school degree that you have previously got the education, then any experience or employment record you have to fill in that as well. So besides that, any publications you have got for thesis, like bachelor's, masters, you have to fill in them. Any technical skills you have to complete them as well. And any presentations you have, any test scores, you have to mention all these here one by one. Then any grants you have previously received, you have to mention them as well. So once you complete this form here, how do you support your financials, so you have to mention that every detail. So you fill in this form, and then you have to directly mail to the professor that form. So if you have any of the issues here which you are not able to fulfill, then you are not eligible. But like this, you should have not have dual citizenship, you should not be a Japanese citizen, then only you are not eligible. Else you are eligible to apply for this particular scholarship directly. All details are mentioned on this website here. Laboratories links are given here, and professors, their details are given here. For example, I have applied for this professor here, so I'll click on his profile, and now I have filled the form with all details, all documents attached to it. Then I can directly mail this form to this professor here. So that's the simple procedure for this method you have to fill. So once you contact this professor here with the form and documents, he'll be recommending you for the next step 2, that's the MEXT Scholarship official form. So until then, you have to do this 2-step method. First, contact the supervisor, get his approval, then email the supervisor with the form that we have downloaded here, step 1 form, attach documents to it, and that's it. Simple process is there. So we have completed the steps here, and that's it. Contacting supervisor is the main step in this process. You can see this lab has 2 staff, so you can contact both of them, but main staff that you have to contact is this professor Ueria Royato. He's an associate professor at the university, and he's the in charge of the lab where you will be having these research. They have already published these research papers, so you'll be dealing with such. And his email is mentioned here. Likewise, you have to find and contact details here. So office hours, you should try to send emails within the office hours so that you get replies as well. And it might take few days, weeks to get a reply from our professors, and your profile should be as good as they are interested in your profile. So you should have such works so that you get the replies as well. Now we have completed both the steps. First, finding professor, then contacting professor. Now you have to mail this form along with the documents. That's the last step, and then you have to wait for the review. And that's the method for the Hokkaido University step first. Once you get reviewed, once you get accepted from the professor for the supervision, then you have to fill the admission form as well as the MEXT official scholarship form. And then that's the process you have to fulfill along with the documentation that we must get the notary or trans apostille on them. That's the simple process. Do this process before the November 30th, 2027. You have enough time, you have enough months, half a year is pending for you to complete this process. That's it for today. I am signing off for full scholarships. Please keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.